Hello dear friends, wishing you all a very lovely day and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a simple one, comforting soup. I had bought a bunch of asparagus and let's make cream of asparagus soup. Asparagus is supposed to be a very nutritious vegetable and we should add it in our diet some form or the other. Usually we also saute it with butter and serve it as a side with grilled meats, and soup is the next option. I think the most easiest option. We can relish it. The cream of asparagus soup. It's quite comforting, simple, mild in taste, flavors, not many spices go into it. You can enjoy it with a sandwich or a toast on the side. So let's get started and make this soup. I've taken one bunch of asparagus. Then we have some thyme here for seasoning. You can use any herb of your choice. Celery seeds, 1 pinch. This is optional though, but it enhances the flavor. Olive oil or butter, 1 tablespoon. Crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Crushed black pepper, 1 or 2 pinches. Here I have some fresh cream. This is frozen. Whenever I have a leftover cream after using for any recipe, because it doesn't stay good, I blend it with some cashew nuts and freeze it. This is a tip that you could follow. It's really very handy. And some chicken stock, about half cup. You could also use water instead, or milk, whatever you like, or vegetable stock. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Wash the asparagus very well and cut it into smaller pieces. Now the cutting is done. Heat oil or butter in a pressure cooker. Add the garlic and saute it. Now dip in the asparagus pieces. Saute them together until the color changes, which may take a few minutes. Do this on medium flame so that it doesn't get burnt. The garlic gets burnt easily when you have high flame. Now is the perfect color. Slightly brownish. At this stage, add the stock or water, whatever you are using. Add little salt. The stock already has some salt, so add it very carefully. Also add some water. I'm adding about half cup. Give it a stir. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker. Cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. This is thin asparagus, so I think 4 whistles will do. You may also just simmer it by boiling in a pan, but it takes a little longer. Release the pressure and then open the lid. Using the hand blender or stick blender, you can blend it immediately. But if you don't have this blender, you can allow the soup to become cool and then blend it in a mixer jar. Now strain the soup. Lot of fiber from the asparagus, so we have to strain it. Squeeze out the water completely. Now pour this strained soup back into a pan and bring it to a boil. Add a little bit of celery seeds, just one pinch will do. I add this in salads also. Give it a stir. Once the soup starts boiling, you can add the cream. Add as much as you like. First I added little. If needed, we can add little more later. Stir it immediately and reduce the flame. Now the soup has to cook on low flame until it thickens and you get the desired consistency. Dish it out and serve it immediately. I had kept aside some tender asparagus tips for garnishing. Sauteed them with oil and you can garnish the soup with these. Also some black pepper and any herb of your choice. Here I have used some thyme. Delicious and creamy asparagus soup is ready for you. You can pair it with some garlic bread or cheese toast and enjoy a light meal. A meal like this is really comforting in winters. Easy to make, doesn't take time at all. Friends, I hope you are enjoying my recipes and you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not done so, please do it. Thank you for watching. Have a look at these videos from my archives as well. See you soon with another interesting recipe.